Alright guys, so I have a brand new goal on Roblox. And before I show you that, hold on, I need to show you something really epic. I need to go to YouTube and then Killer Shark Gaming YT, okay, perfect, and then buying my dream, I wasn't even typing, buying my dream item. When you look at this, you see this video. This is the video where I bought the Sparkle Time bundle, and I used it for a lot of avatars, and I played Jailbreak with it. And honestly, who plays Jailbreak in 2021? I remember when Sam was that avatar, and this is illegal. This is wrong. Like, no, we're closing on that video just for that. But anyways, yeah, I bought my dream item there. But there's a face I kind of want now. And I'm probably gonna get enough Robux for it. Let's see if we can find out without going through the dumb thing of searching up. Yeah, okay, so there's a type of face on Roblox. It's like the vampire types of faces. Hold on, let me open these in new tabs. Okay, let me go prankster. And then please, come on. Oh, am I at page 3? No. Okay, I'm on page 2. I'm also thinking about buying this face. This one. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Go back to this. Where is it? Excuse me? Where is this face? Also, I love this face. I really want it too. Where is it? I can't find it anywhere. Okay, fine. You get what I mean. There's like playful vampire and stuff, like prankster and everything. But cheeks. Oh, fine. That's like a 2020 joke. I'm sorry. There's a face similar to that. That's more affordable. Catching snowflakes. Now, I really want this item because, well, first of all, it's really epic. Are you kidding me? I can't do 3D anymore. Oh my gosh, this really dumb version of Roblox. Like, it put all my stuff in the corner right here, made everything smaller, and now I can't even do freaking 3D. It just... Let me favor this quickly.
Alrighty, so let's look at the sales.
So, realistically, well, first of all, this is a really good deal right here. I wish I had this, deal. Like, I wish I had the Robux for this. But, if you're wondering how I'm gonna get this, because, well, obviously, like, it's kind of a lot of Robux. The highest it's ever gone was, like, 17,000 Robux. Wait, it's 11,000? Wait, hold on a second. Let me refresh the page here.
Which of these did you want?
My gosh, Siri on the TV just scared the freak out of me. Yeah, TVs can be weird sometimes. But, that's not the point. The point is, catching snowflakes. How am I gonna get this, you ask? Well, very good question. So, in case you didn't know, I get my Roblox Premium every, 15th of month. Yeah, I'm very good at saying stuff. I'm gonna get 2,000 Robux. And then Hanukkah, in case you didn't know, yeah, I'm Jewish, okay, big reveal, like, it doesn't even matter. Hanukkah, it's on the 29th of November this year, which is way earlier than it should be. It's usually on, like, the 16th of December, I'm pretty sure, I'm not really sure. Well, it lasts for 8 days. Yeah, you know what I mean. So, here's the game plan here. I get 2 Roblox Premiums for this month and next month if I somehow manage to save them. Good boy. And then I get a bunch of Hanukkah money, which adds me up to probably around like I'll have 4,800, or no, I'll have 4,400 for my premiums if I manage to save them. Okay, maybe like 3,000 because I'm probably gonna buy like one kit in Bed Wars that's gonna like really reach out to me. But I'll have like 4,400, let's just say. And then if I get a bunch of Hanukkah money, I might get up to like maybe 6,000 to 7,000 by the end of Hanukkah. And then I'll get some money from like my grandparents for like my birthday because that's in like January. I still haven't done the house tour or anything. I don't know. You know how epic it's gonna be if like this all works out. Because if I get all this money, like Hanukkah money, birthday money, grandparents who are extremely nice to you and give you like way too much money for no apparent reason, I might be able to get this face. And the reason I want this is if it ever does go up to 17,000, I can sell it for 17,000. I'll only get like 12K back, I think, because like Roblox takes like 3% of it. No, if Roblox took 7% of it, there wouldn't even be a point of selling limiteds. I mean, if Roblox took 7% of it, yeah. But Roblox takes 3% of it. 30%, yeah. 3% would be way too good. But yeah, catching snowflakes, yeah. I'm gonna get that with like my money and stuff. Okay. Roblox Premium, I'm probably gonna get this really dumb thing that like I've been wanting for a while. Like the only thing I'm going to get with it is like this. Oh come on, are you serious? Shoot. Bro, my gosh. Okay, well it's not showing up, but I want like the Vans shoe necklace thingy. It looks very epic, and that's why I want it. And I'm getting I'm getting premium 3 days after my account gets unbanned. Or no, 2 days after actually, because yeah, it's on the 15th. Yeah, but my account's still banned, so that alright, yeah. This thingy right here. I might make some profit off of this or like whatever. It's probably not gonna get that like good, but like I kind of want it. Oh, there's the 3D button. Idiot. Yeah, this is what the shoe looks like. I'd want this because obviously like shoes are epic. It's probably not gonna show up in Bed Wars, but like I wouldn't care less.
I didn't understand that.
Why is my TV being so annoying all of a sudden? This and catching snowflakes, I feel like I can make like a really good avatar because I already made a really good avatar with like my Sparkle Time top hat. I just add catching snowflakes to that. That would be really sick. Let me actually go catching snowflakes again. Catching. Oh, okay, so I can't go to 3D for that for some apparent reason. But like catching snowflakes, that with like the top hat and like everything like that's gonna look so sick. And plus this is like considered, I'm pretty sure, like one of like the Roblox like trading items. Oh, someone just bought the deal for 12,997. But there are some ways that this won't work out because I'll have 4,000 Robux left. So if I get $100 for like all the money and like stuff from like Hanukkah and stuff, I'll have 10k Robux. No, 11k actually. Yeah, I'll have 11k Robux from that. If I get both of my premium pass, I'll actually have 15k Robux. I may even buy core blocks. No, just kidding. I'm not an idiot. I would only buy core blocks if I have like a few thousand left over and like okay. But like the best shopping spree for me would be like buying this and core blocks. I'm also interested in the Headless Horseman, but it's not like I'm going to get that this year unless like the only way that's physically possible is if someone buys my 10 million Robux shirt in my group, which I highly recommend buying because it would support me so much. If you buy that and the person who buys that makes a comment on that shirt, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get everyone in my channel like subscribed to that person on YouTube, or else I'm gonna like kill them or something. I don't know. like I need 10 million Robux, honestly. Like I want 10 million Robux. And the only way I'm gonna get that, well, I'd actually get 7 million, I'm pretty sure, because like the whole like dumb 30% deal with Roblox. But 7 million is still like a crap ton of Robux, and like no one gets that amount. Like how many people do you say? Oh my gosh, that sounded a lot better in my head. How many people do you see every day that have 7 million Robux? Exactly. Yeah. If I get 7 million Robux, you know how happy I'm gonna be. No, if I get like 20k Robux, I'm gonna be like, scream! Even 1,000 Robux is a lot for me. Like a lot of Robux to me is like 10k, because that's so much. But like the only reason like I just need more is because like all those items, like I want to be a Roblox trader, and this is like my beginning. Like if like I know most of the video it's just me talking, but like you don't know how badly I want this. I'm probably not gonna want this by the time I get the amount of money, which is okay, but like the flood or like the fail I did last year, I got 20k Robux in total with like my birthday money and stuff. I was an idiot with that money. I spent it all on like Dungeon Quest cosmetics and like really bad accessories that I never use to this day, and I still can't use because my dumb account got banned. No, my account is not dumb. It's Roblox that's kind of dumb for banning me because you know how mad I am about that. I have to stay in this alt account for like 3 more days. Like, after I get unbanned, I'm probably never coming on this alt account ever again. I'm tired of this alt account. Like, I am done with this thing. Flamingo sad, more like flamingo dumb. Oh wait, no, sorry, that's really harsh of me to say, because flamingos are epic, not dumb. Also, don't mind me, I just randomly played this, I just wanted to see it, I saw it in a YouTube video, so. But yeah, let's actually, oh, I can't show my avatar because freaking ban me. Let's see my best avatar I could use catching snowflakes with. Creations. Sure, the rabbit robot. I haven't made that many creations on this account. Yeah, let's do the rabbit robot, and let's take off the face accessory, the visor thingy. Bro, please. Come on. Thank you. Take the motherboard visor off. Okay, and now, let's go into, catalog heaven. And we're going to test out this face. I'm going to show you guys that it's like really cool and everything. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Alright, I'm in catalog heaven now, and basically what you do in this game, in case you don't know, oh my gosh, this is so laggy. Oh, never mind. Oh, I look so good right now without my motherboard visor. Also, this is a promo code accessory. It's Amazon Friend 2021. If you made it this far into the video, yeah, you get that. I'm getting this on my main really soon. I also kind of want the Lil Nas X football helmet, because like that's pretty cool, because I love that. I love his videos so much. Well, like no, the music video is inappropriate. Blech. But like hold on. Catching snowflakes. Yes, let's put this on. I look really dumb, but like close catalog. Yes, this is the face I want. Catching snowflakes. This is like I feel like this is like one of those like limited like faces that are actually good. And if I can like make profit with this, my gosh. Like, do you see this? Like quality right here? But my dream avatar, if you want to see my dream avatar, give me like 1 second. Alright, besides like all the clothing, just ignore the clothing and the hair and everything. I can't really do anything about that for now. But this is my dream avatar. I want Headless Horseman. I'll like use the pumpkin. I've always wanted beast mode in the red clockwork headphones or work clock headphones. Not that they're gonna come back. And I always wanted the clockwork shades. But yeah, that's the end of the video because dumb recording software is gonna run out of time. Okay, bye.